This week, we discuss solving systems of equations in 3 variables, x, y, and z. Lesson objectives. Solve systems of equations involving 3 variables algebraically. Keywords to know. Ordered triple. The solution of a system of equations in 3 variables. Example 1, x minus 2y plus z equal 15, 2x plus 3y minus 3z equal 1, 4x plus 10y minus 5z equal negative 3. Step 1, combine equations 1 and 2 to eliminate z. Equation 1 is x minus 2y plus z equal 15. Equation 2 is 2x plus 3y minus 3z equal 1. So what we need to do here is, first of all, take a look at our z's, all right? So we want to eliminate the z's first. What we need to do is find the opposites of the coefficients, all right? Make these into opposites. So since we have a positive and negative, we go ahead and make our parentheses. All right, this 3 is with the coefficient 3. It's going to go up here. 1 down here. All right, so both are going to be positive since we have a positive and a negative on the inside. Now we distribute 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 2y, negative 6y. 3 times z, 3z. 3 times 15, 45. The bottom, 1 times 2x, it's 2x. 1 times 3y, it's 3y. 1 times negative 3z, negative 3z. 1 times 1, 1. Now, as you can see, we have opposites, all right? We have positive 3z, negative 3z. Cancel them, cross them out. Let's work vertical. 3x plus 2x is 5x. Negative 6y plus 3y, negative 3y. 45 plus 1 is 46. All right? So now we have an equation. We want to put a star by this one, and we want to save it. Step 2. Combine equations 1 and 3 to eliminate z. Equation 1 is x minus 2y plus z equal 15. Equation 3 is 4x plus 10y minus 5z equal negative 3. All right, so once again, we want to eliminate the z's. We still have 1, and this time we have 5. So parentheses, 5 goes out here, 1 goes down here. Both of them stay positive, right? Because we have a positive and a negative. We distribute. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 2y, negative 10y. 5 times z is 5z. 5 times 15, 75. Let me go to the bottom. 1 times 4x is 4x. 1 times 10y is 10y. 1 times negative 5z is negative 5z. And 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Now, in this one, if we look at our opposites, we actually have 2. We have 2 of them, all right? Negative 10y and positive 10y give us 0. 5z and negative 5z gives us 0. Work vertical. 5x plus 4x is 9x. 75 and a negative 3 gives us 72. We divide by 9. X equals 8. All right, step 3. We're going to substitute x to solve for y. Now we're going to take our highlighted problems, our highlighted answers, the ones from the previous steps. 5x minus 3y equals 46. And in the second step, we found that x equals 8. So we're going to use x equals 8 to solve for y. 5 times 8 minus 3y equals 46. 5 times 8 is 40. Minus 3y equals 46. Subtract 40. Subtract 40. Negative 3y equals 6. Divide negative 3. All right, so y equals negative 2. Step 4, use equation 1 to solve for z. Remember, x equals 8, y equals negative 2. Equation 1 is x minus 2y plus z equals 15. We're going to plug in. We have 8 minus 2 times negative 2 plus z equals 15. Negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Plus z equals 15. 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus z equals 15. One step equation. Subtract 12. Z equals 3. So I ordered triple, and this is how we write the ordered triple. 8, negative 2, 3.
Example 2, 5x minus 2y plus 1z equal 11. 2x plus y plus 3z equals 0. 6x minus 2y minus 2z equals 16. Step 1. Combine equations 1 and 2 to eliminate z. All right, so equation 1 is 5x minus 2y plus 1z equal 11. Equation 2 is 2x plus 1y plus 3z equal 0. So what we want to do is we want to eliminate the z's, right? So we find opposites. We have 1 and 3, both of them are positive. So that means that if we make a parentheses and this 3 comes up here, 1 down here, one of these have to be negative because both of these have the same sign. All right, so we can make the bottom negative. Now we distribute. 3 times 5x, 15x. 3 times negative 2y, negative 6y. 3 times 1z, positive 3z. 3 times 11, 33. We go to the bottom. Negative 1 times 2x, negative 2x, negative 1 times 1y, negative 1y, negative 1 times 3z, minus 3z, negative 1 times 0, 0. All right, so now we have our opposites. They are 3z and negative 3z. Working vertical with like terms. 15x minus 2x is 13x. Negative 6y, negative 7y. Negative 1y is negative 7y. Equal 33. All right, so we're gonna hold on to this one. We're gonna hold on to that one. Step 2, combine equations 1 and 3 to eliminate z. So equation 1, once again, is 5x minus 2y plus 1z equal 11. Equation 3, 6x minus 2y minus 2z equal 16. Once again, I know these look alike. They're not opposites, all right, because they have the same signs. Plus, we're not dealing with the y's. So what we want to do is take a look at the z's. We have a positive and a negative. We have a 1 and a 2. So we know that the 2 on the outside, when they go to the outside, they're going to be positive. So we got 2 positives. Distribute. 10x minus 4y is 2z 22. The bottom, 6x minus 2y minus 2z equals 16. Combine our like terms, now we have opposites. Those cancel, work vertical. 10x plus 6x, 16x, negative 4y, negative 4y, negative 2y equals negative 6y. 22 and 16 gives us 38. So now we highlight that equation. 16x minus 6y equals 38. Step 3, combine highlighted equations to eliminate y. We have 13x minus 7y equals 33. 16x minus 6y equals 38. All right, we're gonna take a look at the y's. We need to make them opposite, so 6 up here, 7 down here. Now one of these has to be negative because we have negative, negative, right? We have the same signs, so we can make this negative. Now we distribute. 6 times 13. All right, negative 6 times 13 is negative 78x. Negative 6 times negative 7y. 42y. 33 times 6, negative 6, negative 198. All right, then we have 7 times 16. 112x. 7 times negative 6y, negative 42y. 7 times 38. It's 266. All right, so now we have opposites. Cross them out. Have a negative and a positive, so that means we subtract. So 112 minus 78 is 34x. Negative positive, we subtract. 266 minus 198 gives us 68. Divide 34. X equal 2. Step 4, use X to solve for Y. So we're going to use one of the highlighted equations. In this case, 13x minus 7y equals 33. We're going to plug in X, which is 2. So now we have 13 times 2, it's 26, minus 7y equals 33. Subtract 26. Negative 7y equals 7. We divide negative 7. Y equals negative 1. Step 5. Use equation 1 to solve for z. We have 5x minus 2y plus 1z equals 11. So x equals 2. Y equals negative 1. All right, we're gonna multiply first. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2, plus 1z equal 11. 10 plus 2 is 12, plus 1z equal 11. Subtract 12. 1z equal -1. We divide 1. Z equal -1. So our ordered triple, all right? That's what the answers are called, ordered triples. Ordered triple is 2, -1, -1.